This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
With the engine completely cold, unscrew the expansion tank cap. Place chocks each side of the rear wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the floor seam. Don't jack under the sill flange. Raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the floor seam. The engine under tray is secured by various torque screws around its circumference. Undo the screws, noting that some have integral washers. Withdraw the under tray, noting how the fingers at the front edge engage with the panel underneath the radiator. Position a suitable container beneath the radiator. Release the retaining clips and disconnect the bottom hose from the radiator to drain the coolant. Release the clamp and disconnect the hose from the electric coolant circulation pump, located at the front side of the cylinder block, below the oil cooler. If the hose is reluctant to release, try freeing it using a pointed tool, inserting it between the plastic outlet and the rubber hose. When the system has finished draining, reconnect the hose to the coolant pump and secure it with the clip. Try to position the clip in its original location. Reconnect the radiator lower hose and secure it with the clip. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Prepare a 50-50 mixture of the correct antifreeze and water. Add the coolant to the expansion tank until the level reaches the maximum mark on the side of the tank. Help bleed the air from the system by repeatedly squeezing the radiator hoses. Then, with the level correct, refit the expansion tank filler cap. Run the engine at a fast idle speed until the cooling fan cuts in. Wait for the fan to stop, then switch the engine off and allow the engine to cool. When the engine has cooled, check and, if necessary, top up the coolant to the maximum level in the expansion tank. Ensure the filler cap is securely refitted. Manoeuvre the undertray into position under the vehicle and engage the front edge fingers with the radiator panel. Holding the undertray in place, refit the various screws and tighten them securely. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground.